In this video, I want to talk about what is most definitely the coolest battery charger I've ever owned. This is an Ostation X by Olight, and it's a AA rechargeable battery charger. And as you can see, we have a bunch of batteries in here. This has a 32 battery capacity. So this company reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to test this out. This was a Kickstarter item and it has just come out when this video is released. So they wanted me to test it out and let them know and let you know, my audience, how I liked it. And I love it because I use batteries, AA's, all the time. I have a microphone right here that has a transmitter that takes batteries. I have the receiver that takes batteries, and I have kids that need a lot of batteries in their toys. So this is perfect for me. And it has some cool features. So let's go over the basics. On the back here, it has two USB-C ports. So one of them, you plug the power in, and the other one, you can actually charge something else or run something else with another USB-C. This cable or cord is about 5 foot long, and it does have an adapter for an outlet, but you can also just use the USB-C. So we're going to plug this in, and you'll see that this light, this ring right here, is going to start blinking white. It's getting ready for whatever it needs to do. This will have indications, different colors, and it comes with a user manual that goes over all of those different things, a whole bunch of information in here on how to use this, including how to download the app, because this does have an app, which is pretty cool. And to load it, you do need this to be a solid white. If it wasn't solid white, you would just push this button once and wait for it, and then you can load it. So at the top here, it has this door that you can slide open, and it has 4 tracks right here. So you want to stagger these so you get the maximum charging out of this thing. And you can put these batteries in any way you want, which is nice. So the positive is right here. I'll put it in the first track, and then the second track I'll put the negative like this. It doesn't matter. And you can charge not just Olight brand batteries, but any kind you want. You can load this right up, and it will just keep dropping them, keep charging them. You can just keep loading it with however many you want. Close the door, and it will start charging. And now this green, that means this is in charging mode. And once it starts blinking, that will mean that the batteries are charging. To take the batteries out, you can do it whenever this is charging or anything. Just right here, push down on this, and these batteries will come out. So now when the light is like this, that means that those batteries are charging. The last thing I want to talk about is this tray right here. This little light will light up. It's not right now, but it will, to indicate that inside of here are batteries that are no longer good. You can see I've marked a couple of these because they were dying pretty quick. So I wanted to double check. I ran them through this, and sure enough, they are bad because rechargeable batteries don't last forever. So this is a really nice feature that a lot of chargers do not have. So I can take these out and get rid of them. So if you go through a lot of batteries like I do, I will leave a link in the description of this video over to an affiliate link. At no extra cost to you, I get a small commission, and you get an awesome battery charger. No pressure. Up to you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.